So the next thing which kind of sucks about JavaScript is that there's a lot of permutations on the language. I mean, also it's it's a good thing and a bad thing at the same time. Instead of there just being like one language, and this is the language, and there's one central sort of group or organization that kind of curates the language and makes sure it's awesome. There's all kinds of JavaScript languages and different things out there. And so here are some permutations on the language. There's TypeScript. So somebody said, well, JavaScript kind of sucks. Let's make TypeScript. And it's like JavaScript, but it's more robust and has these different features. And then some frameworks will use different languages, like React uses JSX. And then people will talk about the different flavors of JavaScript. There's vanilla JavaScript, which is just like JavaScript. It's JavaScript, but they'll call it vanilla JavaScript. And so that's what we're going to learn in this course. We're going to learn, and I really recommend learning this first and learn the foundation first, right? So we're going to learn straight up plain vanilla JavaScript. And then there's like TypeScript, which we mentioned up there, which is a flavor of JavaScript with qualities and features some people desired. And some found JavaScript to be lacking in various ways as a programming language, so they create TypeScript. And there's like CoffeeScript, so somebody else was like, well, none of those work. Let's create another one. And JSX is another language. And then there's like people refer to ECMAScript. So ECMAScript is JavaScript according to certain standards set by the European Computer Manufacturers Association, ECMA, right? ECMA, European Computer Manufacturers Association, ECMA. And so they have released different standards. And if you want to write JavaScript to ECMA standards, you might write ES 2020 to the 2020 standards, or ES 2017, right? So you'll hear people refer to that. I just want you to know that that's JavaScript written to the European Computer Manufacturers Association standards. We're going to be learning vanilla JavaScript in here to the best, most current standards that I know of it today. And then there's a server Node.js, right? So there's all these different languages and permutations on the languages that have come out of the JavaScript sort of ecosystem. And I just want you to have a little familiarity with it. But the first thing you should learn is the original thing, which is normal, straight, plain JavaScript. And then you'll be able to move into anything else as you need to, different frameworks, or if you want to write according to the ECMA standards or anything like that, you'll be well equipped to do so. All right, so that's a little bit about the different permutations on the JavaScript language.